Hi there, I'm Purya Sohi. I'm the Director of Industrial Design and Marketing here at Final Aim, and I'm going to walk you through how easy it is to use Final Design to protect your design data and intellectual property. So I just finished this wallpaper for a client. It's an iPhone wallpaper. I built it in Photoshop, and now I want to upload an image of it to Final Design to attribute intellectual property and apply a smart contract that proves I own this. So I'm going to take the image, export it out as a PNG, and then I'm going to move over to Final Design in my browser. Super easy. I can sign in here using Google. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Just let it load in. Click. I'm going to sign in with my Final Aim email here. And that is going to load me into my main view. So you can see some of the images I've uploaded or previously to Final Design. And you can see that we're in the home view. So you kind of get a view of everything at this stage, but I can also isolate those by projects, which is really handy. And I'm going to go into this project that I've made for today. You can see there's a contract in here already. That's basically just the agreement between me and the client. And now I can just start to add some data to this. So I'm going to go ahead and just add a client in first. So we're going to add my Chief Design Officer, Yas, here as our contractee so that we can just fulfill the whole thing. He's the contractee. Just go ahead and hit invite. He's going to get an email basically adding him to the project. And now I'm going to click on submit and authenticate to add the data that I just showed you. So brought up with this page, which is asking us what we want to upload. I'm going to upload the image that I showed you earlier on. Now, I'm the original author of this, so at this stage, I'm going to put myself in and apply myself as the original creator. I'm also going to put the IP license under myself for now because the contract's not finished. And I'm going to add Photoshop as the file type that I made this in. There's a declaration at this stage basically asking me, did I make this? Do I actually own the thing? Am I being honest about that? Obviously, yes, so I'm going to declare that. And that's going to bring us over to our main page now, and it's going to show us that the data is getting authenticated. What that means is a smart contract is being generated. The smart contract is what proves that I own this. So that's going to take a little while, maybe like a minute to get loaded in. But while that's happening, I can show you what that looks like in the other project. So in the other project where we uploaded some data already, if I click on one of these, you'll see that I have a authentication page which shows the contract as well as like who submitted it and what time that came in. And the time is really important because the timestamp is part of the smart contract which proves that you own it. It's part of that timeline to show that you own this thing. When I click on the authentication, that's my smart contract. This is the thing that proves that this intellectual property is mine. Now, the coolest thing about this is that it's already recognized by lawyers, super handy. It also means that you don't have to worry about tampering with your document. You can also share it out far easier when you want to get a client to give you feedback. You don't have to worry about stuff so much because you've got proof that you own that thing now. And then when the project comes to a close, you can hand ownership of this over to the client. So this proof of authenticity right here, this is super useful. And that's really it. It's really that easy to add your data and start managing your data inside of Final Design. I just took you through that in less than 3 minutes from start to finish. And you can start adding data en masse once you've got stuff ready. And once you're ready to hand it to the client, you can hand it to the client. If you want to learn more, by all means, drop us a line or join the waitlist. Link is in the description below. And if you've got any questions, by all means, hit me up.